Horses have a long history of companionship with humans. They have served in roles ranging from transportation to warfare. Horses possess a remarkable ability to perceive human emotions. They can respond to these emotions in various ways. Scientific studies provide empirical validation of horses' emotional intelligence. This research moves beyond anecdotal evidence regarding horses' capabilities. Horses possess the ability to distinguish human emotions. This ability is now confirmed through rigorous scientific investigation. These findings highlight the complex cognitive and emotional capacities of horses. Horses possess the ability to distinguish between different human facial expressions. Specifically, they can differentiate between happy and angry human faces. Scientific studies have investigated this emotional recognition in horses. These studies reveal physiological responses in horses when shown angry faces. Observed responses include an increased heart rate, indicating stress. This suggests horses perceive and react to negative human emotions. Horses are highly sensitive to human emotional cues. They can perceive and react to facial expressions. Horses display calmer behavior when interacting with people, showing happy facial expressions. This indicates an ability to differentiate between emotional states. Understanding these sensitivities can improve human-animal interactions. Horses exhibit emotional memory capabilities. They can remember individuals based on past interactions. Horses distinguish between kind and harsh treatment. This emotional memory influences their behavior. They adjust their actions based on remembered experiences. Horses respond differently to those who have treated them well versus poorly. Horses possess the ability to distinguish emotional tones in human vocalizations. This capability demonstrates a sophisticated level of auditory perception in horses. Horses exhibit varied responses based on the emotional content of human speech. They react differently to angry vocalizations compared to soothing ones. This sensitivity highlights the complexity of horse-human communication. Horses are highly perceptive animals, adept at reading subtle cues in human behavior. They pay close attention to human body language as a means of understanding intention. This includes observing posture, such as whether a person is standing tall or hunched over. Horses also interpret gestures, like pointing or waving, to anticipate actions. Gait, or the manner of walking, provides further clues about a person's emotional state. By synthesizing these observations, horses can gauge human emotional states and predict behavior. Horses exhibit a unique physiological mirroring effect with humans. Research suggests horses can synchronize their breathing patterns with humans. Horses can also synchronize their heart rates with humans. This synchronization indicates a potential for deep emotional connection. The physiological synchrony may facilitate improved communication. Further research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms driving this synchrony. Horses have a unique sensitivity to human emotions. They act as emotional mirrors, reflecting the inner state of their riders. This mirroring behavior highlights the importance of emotional control when interacting with horses. A rider's anxiety or calmness directly influences the horse's behavior. Therefore, self-awareness and emotional regulation are crucial for effective horsemanship. Equine therapy harnesses the emotional sensitivity of horses. This sensitivity helps individuals, especially children, in emotional regulation. Horses naturally respond to and mirror human emotions. This mirroring provides immediate feedback to the individual. The therapy environment fosters a safe space for building trust. Trust is developed through interaction and care for the horse. Horses are incorporated into therapy sessions for individuals with post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Equine-assisted therapy provides a unique, non-verbal approach to trauma processing. Horses offer a non-judgmental presence, creating a safe space for patients. This environment facilitates the exploration and processing of traumatic memories and emotions. Interacting with horses can help patients develop emotional regulation skills. The therapy also aids in building trust, improving communication, and fostering coping mechanisms. Horses exhibit complex social behaviors as herd animals. Survival in horses is closely linked to emotional cues within the herd. Horses are highly sensitive to emotional signals from other horses. This sensitivity enhances their ability to respond to threats and maintain herd cohesion. The horse brain has dedicated regions for social and emotional data processing. These regions enable horses to interpret social cues from their environment. Horses can effectively read and respond to human emotions. This ability facilitates human-horse interactions and bonding. Fear can be readily transmitted from a rider to their horse. This transmission often results in the horse becoming anxious. Anxiety in horses can lead to uncooperative behavior. This phenomenon exemplifies emotional contagion between species. Trust between a horse and its human handler handler is crucial for effective partnership. Increased trust leads to improved cooperation during training and activities. A trusting horse demonstrates enhanced responsiveness to human cues and commands. Emotional security plays a significant role in fostering this trust. The positive impact of trust is evident in the horse's willingness and performance. Harsh treatment and punishment can induce fear in horses. Fear leads to distrust between the horse and handler. This distrust negatively impacts the horse's ability to learn. Performance is also hindered by negative reinforcement techniques. Positive reinforcement is a more effective training method. Positive methods build trust and encourage learning and better performance. Horses possess the ability to perceive human intentions. They achieve this by interpreting subtle cues in human behavior. Horses respond not just to commands, but to the underlying motivation behind them. This demonstrates a high degree of perceptive ability in horses. Horses have been observed displaying comforting behaviors towards grieving humans. These behaviors include gentle approaches and physical contact. Such actions suggest an empathetic response from the horse. This demonstrates a capacity for understanding and sharing human emotions. Horses often provide a sense of safety and understanding to children. Horses respond to children's genuine emotions without judgment. This non-judgmental interaction fosters a strong emotional connection. Children may feel more comfortable expressing themselves around horses. The horse-child bond can be therapeutic and supportive. This interaction promotes emotional well-being in children. Horses possess the ability to detect insincerity in humans. They are adept at recognizing inconsistencies between verbal and nonverbal cues. This sensitivity allows them to perceive discrepancies in human behavior. Horses react accordingly to these perceived emotional falsehoods. Their reactions demonstrate a sophisticated understanding of human emotional expression. Modern horse training prioritizes emotional communication. This approach emphasizes building a strong bond between horse and trainer. Emotional connection is favored over punishment-based methods. Effective communication enhances the horse's understanding and willingness. A positive relationship leads to improved performance and cooperation. This fosters a more harmonious and productive training environment. Horses have played a significant role in warfare throughout history. Horses are sensitive to the emotional state of their riders. They can perceive fear or courage exhibited by the rider in battle. This perception influences the horse's own behavior during combat. A rider's emotional state directly impacts the horse's performance under pressure. The bond between rider and horse is crucial for effective performance in warfare scenarios. Horses possess a capacity for retaining emotional memories over extended periods. These emotional memories significantly influence their subsequent interaction. This influence extends to both individual people and specific environments. Past experiences, particularly those with strong emotional components, have a lasting impact. These experiences shape their behavioral responses in future situations. Emotional memory reinforces the impact of prior interactions on horses' behavior. Deep connections between horses and humans often transcend verbal communication. These connections rely on mutual understanding developed over time. Emotional resonance plays a key role in this nonverbal exchange. The absence of words enhances sensitivity to subtle cues and feelings. A true partnership with a horse is founded on mutual respect. Understanding the horse's needs and behavior is crucial. Respect fosters a relationship built on trust. Trust enables cooperation between horse and rider. Emotional intelligence plays a key role in building this bond. This leads to a harmonious and effective partnership.